So my background is in theater, actually, and that draw to me was to the courtroom because it's almost like acting. You've got an audience in a jury and a judge. You've got some lines prepared, some improv. You've got real stuff on the line, but it is just a highly orchestrated piece of theater. So because I like litigation, the civil litigation clinic was a big draw for me, and I took it as soon as humanly possible the first semester of my second year. It was a fantastic experience, full-time, 10 credits, so it was about 40 hours a week. I worked in the clinic directly with clients who were my own personal clients, and I just had a supervisor who was watching over everything I did, but I got to make all of the important choices. If you think about all the school that you've probably done up to this point, it's just classrooms. And you sit in classrooms and you learn from a professor. A clinical experience is completely different. It's real-world experience. We take in real clients, generally people who don't have enough money to afford a lawyer but need legal assistance, and you get hands-on experience doing law. You practice law. You have a special certification from the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court that lets you practice as a student lawyer, and it's completely different from a course experience in a classroom. I was with Professor Alan Minuskin, who supervised 8 students. We all worked with our own individual clients, but he would be the go-to on any questions we had. He would oversee everything that we did and make sure that we were doing it correctly. This experience, aside from the actual hands-on legal work that I accomplished and got to learn, it was just a really great lesson in working with people. At the end of every single lawsuit or every transaction, whatever you're doing, there are people involved, and that's what it boils down to. It's not money or property or land, it's always about people.